Hello and welcome back to BitcoinDorks, your daily source for cryptocurrency news and market updates. Today, we'll be discussing the potential impact of a US crypto crackdown on the industry and the possibility of the market shifting to Hong Kong. As you may have heard, there have been increasing calls for tighter regulations on the cryptocurrency industry in the US, with some lawmakers arguing that the lack of oversight and transparency has made it a haven for illicit activity. While there have been some efforts to regulate the industry in recent years, there is still a lot of uncertainty surrounding the future of crypto in the US. So, what would a US crypto crackdown look like and how could it impact the industry? Firstly, it's important to note that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to regulating cryptocurrencies. Some countries, such as Japan and South Korea, have taken a more proactive approach, while others, such as China, have implemented stricter regulations. In the US, it's likely that any regulatory measures would focus on increasing transparency and cracking down on illegal activities such as money laundering and terrorism financing. This could involve requiring exchanges to register with regulatory bodies, implementing stricter Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) procedures and monitoring transactions more closely. While these measures may be necessary to protect consumers and prevent illegal activity, they could also have a chilling effect on the cryptocurrency industry. Many crypto enthusiasts and investors are drawn to the industry precisely because of its decentralization and lack of oversight. If the US were to implement strict regulations, it could drive these individuals and companies overseas to more crypto-friendly jurisdictions. One potential destination for these crypto refugees is Hong Kong, which has emerged as a major hub for cryptocurrency trading and investment in recent years. Hong Kong has a relatively hands-off approach to crypto regulation, which has made it attractive to investors and businesses alike. The city also has a well-established financial infrastructure and a large pool of talent in the tech sector. If the US were to implement stricter regulations on crypto, it's possible that Hong Kong could see a surge in interest from investors and companies looking for a more friendly regulatory environment. This could have a significant impact on the global crypto market and could potentially shift the balance of power away from the US. While there is certainly a push for tighter regulations on the crypto industry in the US, it's unclear how far lawmakers will go and what the ultimate impact will be. It's possible that the industry will continue to thrive in the US, albeit with some new regulatory measures in place. That being said, it's always a good idea for investors and businesses to be prepared for potential regulatory changes. If you're involved in the crypto industry in any way, it's important to stay up to date on the latest news and developments and to consider how you might need to adjust your strategy in the face of new regulations. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to grow, regulatory bodies around the world have been taking a closer look at how to manage this new and rapidly evolving space. In the United States, there has been increasing scrutiny on the use of cryptocurrencies, particularly with regards to their potential use in money laundering and other illegal activities. This has led to a wave of regulatory actions, including proposals for new laws and regulations that could significantly impact the crypto industry in the United States. Some experts believe that this crackdown could push the industry to look for new opportunities overseas, particularly in places like Hong Kong. Hong Kong has long been a hub for finance and business in Asia, with a robust regulatory environment and a history of welcoming foreign investment. In recent years, the city has also become a popular destination for cryptocurrency and blockchain companies, thanks to its favorable tax policies and supportive regulatory framework. According to a recent report from Bloomberg, some experts are predicting that the current regulatory crackdown in the United States could lead to a surge of interest in Hong Kong as a new hub for the crypto industry. The report notes that Hong Kong's proximity to China, where cryptocurrency trading is banned, could make it an attractive location for companies looking to tap into the vast Chinese market. However, this is not to say that Hong Kong is without its own regulatory challenges. In recent years, the city has faced increasing pressure from the Chinese government, which has been seeking to exert greater control over the semi-autonomous territory. This has led to concerns that Hong Kong's regulatory environment could become less favorable for cryptocurrency and blockchain companies in the future. Some experts have also pointed to the city's high cost of living and competitive job market as potential barriers to attracting new talent to the industry. Despite these challenges, many in the industry remain optimistic about Hong Kong's potential as a crypto hub. The city's long history of welcoming foreign investment, combined with its robust regulatory framework and favorable tax policies, make it an attractive destination for companies looking to establish a presence in Asia. It remains to be seen how the regulatory environment in the United States will evolve in the coming months and years. If the crackdown continues, it is certainly possible that we could see a surge of interest in Hong Kong as a new hub for the crypto industry. However, there are also many other factors that could impact the industry's growth and development, including technological advancements and changing consumer preferences. Regardless of what happens, it is clear that the crypto industry is here to stay. As more and more people become interested in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, we can expect to see continued growth and innovation in this exciting and rapidly evolving space. So, what do you think about the potential impact of a US crypto crackdown on the industry and the possibility of the market shifting to Hong Kong? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned to BitcoinDorks for all the latest news and updates on the world of cryptocurrency.